Hello everybody, welcome to the 7th episode of Bounce Back with Nima Mankar. You shall be delighted to know that today we have as our guest one of our favorite singers, Mrs. Mandira Sood, an artist in the true sense of the word. Mrs. Mandira Sood has a master's degree in fine arts, a diploma in early childhood care and education, and a diploma in Marathi music. Wow! She has participated in painting exhibitions in Pune for 2 consecutive years. Mandira's interests are many, right from playing golf and badminton to gardening, ornithology, astronomy, sculpture, and painting. Where music is concerned, she is a student of Ram Krishna Das, Gwalior Gharana, and of Dr. Soma Ghosh, Padma Shri, Banaras Gharana. She belongs to a family of singers. She has sung in various languages which include Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Gujarati, Marathi, and Oriya. She lives in South Africa. She has sung in the International Film Festival in South Africa. She has performed in programs conducted by the High Commission and Indian Consulate. Mandira Sood has even sung in an event organized in honor of the Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. For over a decade, she has been performing in South Africa in Johannesburg. It is our privilege to have you with us, Mandira. Hello and a big welcome to you.
पहचान है गर याद रहे. Hey Nima, it's not only a pleasure, but it's a great honor to be in your talk show. Thank you for inviting me.
I knew it. You would have a unique style of entry, and I'm quite sure it is going to be a beautiful musical story all along. So stay tuned in, dear listeners.
सर झुकाने की खूबसूरती भी क्या कमाल की होती है. सर झुकाने की खूबसूरती भी क्या कमाल की होती है. धरती पर सर रखा और दुआ आसमां में कबूल हो जाती है. हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे. हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय
Oh, that was so soothing. Let us give it an extension. Any song which is close to your heart.
An extension? Why not? This song is very close to my heart. रात हमारी तो चांद की सहेली है, कितने दिनों के बाद आई वो अकेली है. संझा की बातें भी कोई बुझा दे आज, अंधेरे से जी भर के करनी है बातें आज. अंधेरा रूठा है, अंधेरा ऐठा है, गुमसुम सा कोने में बैठा है। रात हमारी तो चांद की सहेली है, कितने दिनों के बाद आई वो अकेली है। संझा की बातें भी कोई बुझा दे आज, अंधेरे से जी भर के करनी है बातें आज।
Incredible. I'm so taken up by it. How would you describe your childhood?
I was born in Bokaro. I'm the youngest of the 3 siblings. My father used to write poems, my mother used to sing, and we had a gramophone in the house. So we grew up listening to the Indian and Western classical music. So the music was always a core component in our lives. And here's what my mother used to say. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, what will be, will be.
What a beautiful way to describe your childhood, Mandira. You are truly the Doris of India. For a moment, I thought she was only singing. Tell me, who is your favorite music composer or composers?
My favorite music composers are Madan Mohanji, R.D. Burman, and A.R. Rahman. And my favorite singer is Lata ji. Here, I'm singing a couple of lines from one of the Madan Mohanji's compositions, and which is sung by Lata ji. Lag ja gale ke phir hasi raat ho na ho, shayad fir is janam mein mulaqat ho na ho. Lag ja gale ke phir hasi रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले
That's lovely. Have you faced any setbacks in life? Did your positive nature help you to come up again?
Losing my father at an early age is one of those unforeseen, tragic events in my life. Beautiful memories, streams of nostalgia never seem to fade away, leave alone the pangs of sadness and worry that take the spotlight. I often find myself buried in a cloud of emotion and regret and wonder how the things would have been different if he were alive. Losing him when I was not ready, that made me realize how important it is to spend valuable time with the people around you who love you unconditionally and try to create unforgettable memories to cherish. I miss my father, his presence, his love, his blessings. Miss you so much, Baba.
I understand. One of the biggest tragedies in life is to lose your father at an early age.
कभी खुद पे कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना आया, कभी खुद कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना आया। बात निकली तो हर एक बात पे रोना आया। बात निकली तो हर एक बात पे रोना। हम तो समझे थे कि हम भूल गए हैं उनको। हम तो समझे थे, हम तो समझे थे कि हम भूल गए हैं उनको। क्या हुआ आज ये किस बात पे रोना आया। क्या हुआ आज ये किस बात पे रोना आया। कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना।
This song brings a mist to our eyes. It is so very touching. Any humorous incidents you would like to share?
A hilarious incident happened a couple of years back when we visited India. As we landed at the airport, family members came to fetch us in 2 cars to accommodate us and our luggage. But the cars were parked in different locations and the parking time was very less. So you had to quickly hop in and just drive off. In a confusion, who sits in which car? Accidentally, I was left out at the airport. Can you believe it? I started to laugh and approached the traffic cop standing in the front. Managed to make a call through his cell phone, and then they came back to fetch me immediately. But as we reached home, my mother-in-law was scolding my husband, and everyone else was teasing and laughing and saying, "What a clever way of dumping your wife." एक चतुर नार करके सिंगार, एक चतुर नार करके सिंगार, मेरे मन के द्वार ये घुसत जात, हम मरत जात। अरे चतुर नार करके सिंगार गरसा।
That was hilarious indeed. And what an apt song. Talking of songs, in times of crisis, which song comes to your mind?
मंजिल यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को, जुनून सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है। I faced a number of challenges in my life, but every time I kept my head and spirits high and moved forward. Doing music all by myself wasn't easy either, but I'm glad I persevered every time and feel proud today and thank God for the ample opportunities He provided me till today. 2019 December, on International Prayer Day, I performed in front of 100,000 people in the soccer stadium Johannesburg, where the World Cup was once played. It gives me a sense of achievement and immense happiness. So whenever I feel low, I console myself singing this patriotic song, Akla Cholore, written by Rabindranath Tagore, meaning, if nobody responds to your call, then you move forward alone, walk alone, move on alone, proceed alone, march forward alone. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে, তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। जब काली घटा छाए उरे ओरे अंधेरा सच को निगल जाए, जब दुनिया सारी डर के आगे सर अपना झुकाए, जब दुनिया सारी डर के आगे सर अपना झुकाए, तू शोला बन जा, वो शोला बन जा जो खुद जल की जहाँ रोशन कर दे। একলা চলো রে, जो खुद जल की जहाँ रोशन कर दे। একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে।
You are sublimely gifted. We loved it. Mandira, since you are answering all my questions through songs, I have one last request. Please sing a song which inspires you and gives a message to all.
Here's a message to all my friends and family. The world is a tough place indeed, but have faith and courage. Worrying does not empty tomorrow of its troubles, but certainly empties today of its strength. उम्मीद बाकी है अभी टूटते हुए ख्वाबों के शहर में, उम्मीद बाकी है अभी टूटते हुए ख्वाबों के शहर में। उम्मीद है कि एक रोज़ एक कमरे में बंद सी पड़ी जिंदगी एक परिंदे की तरह पंख फैलाए नीले आसमान में, किरणों को समेटते कलरव गान करते फिर से हंस पड़ेगी जिंदगी। So never lose hope because miracles happen every day. Love you all. Thank you. Dum tu na de re na na de re na na, dum tu na de re na na de re na na, dum tu na de re na na de re na na, dum tu na de re na na de re na, dum tu na de re na na de re na, dum tu na de re na na de re na na। ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके। मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हाई दिल तो क्या हो। ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके। राह पे कांटे बिखरे अगर उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है। शाम छुपा ले सूरज मगर रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है। रुतिए टल जाएगी, हिम्मत रंग लाएगी, सुबह फिर आएगी हो। ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके। ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये
again, that was so apt. Looking at the present scenario, I'm sure our listeners have got the message bold and clear. Thank you so much, Mandira. The listeners would have really truly enjoyed listening to your beautiful voice and would have felt so inspired by you. So, dear listeners, if you have liked this episode, then do tune in again on the 3rd of next month for another inspiring talk. Thank you, Manan Elvis, for your technical support.